Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate it. So this is going to be weird because I always do my videos for budgeting on the screen, me and my little bubble with my stuff. But as I'm looking at this laptop right now, it says diagnosing your PC, and it's just been circling for the last 20-30 minutes. I got my paycheck early on Wednesday, and I was like too tired to do it. I was excited because I didn't know it was coming on Wednesday. And then it's now Thursday, and I'm like, I really want to get my cash envelope money out tomorrow and stuff and things. I'm going to come home and I'm going to record my video. No, it won't let me be great. So we're gonna have to do it old school, y'all. You might not even see my closeout for the last check in March because it won't make any sense. But y'all know what my closeouts look like. It's all gonna be good. It's gonna be fine. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. If you like budgeting videos and you would like to follow me on my journey to first-time home ownership, look out for a video on how my process is coming along so far, and really look out for some in-depth video on the home buying process since I just took a course. I got information for y'all. Anyway, we're gonna do a top-down video. So if for all those who like pen and paper budgeting, this one's for you. Hoping this computer fixes itself so the next time it won't be this because it's not for me. All right. I'll see y'all in a few. Hello, y'all. So I legit can't make this stuff up. Do you see this? You see this right here? Do you see this? This is a part of the camera gear setup. I went to turn it around to do this top-down video, and it broke. It broke off. It broke off. Luckily, I'm able to jerry-rig it so it kind of stays up there. Let's just pray for the best, y'all. Let's just get started. So I always started doing budgeted in a workbook, and I had taken the Budget Mom's Budget by Paycheck and a few of her things from back in the day. As you see, my old situation, and my goals always had caps. At one point my sinking fund had caps, and from 2020 maybe, 2019, who knows. Okay. Y'all, I used to do this pen and paper thing. Look, I used to look at that, sis. I used to do it. I used to be that girl, right? Used to be her. Then I found digital budgeting, and I'm that girl now, and I love it. So I'm gonna use what should have been my April, which I clearly was gonna use 1 July. I don't know, but it's now going back to April, and I'm gonna use that to do the thing because, bruh. Actually, that's the best part of this, is that I missed a happy planner for that. I ripped my paper, but it's okay because I didn't need to have the whole thing out. Let me bring y'all in. See all that? I'm gonna bring y'all in. It's broken, so if it acts stupid, it's not my fault. Hopefully y'all can see. So this is gonna be for paycheck date. I missed my computer already. For what day is it? Tomorrow's paycheck. Now watch on one word. 4/9/2021. The income that came in this my little cheat sheet on the side. Thankfully, I did that 2 days ago, or a day ago. And the income that's coming in is, well, this is my paycheck, right? And that is going to be $1,335.06. I did do like an hour of overtime, so this is not the full thing, but this should be sort of around where it is with the insurance taken out, I think. And so this was actually $1,335.06. Now rollover, I'm not even going to calculate because I couldn't close out my March due to computer failure, but I believe there's $30 here, and it's going to go to my rainy day fund anyway, so whatevs. And then I'm gonna do like my friend Lucian Lifestyle does and leave a miscellaneous, which I budget for nothing, but if something comes up, that'd be awesome to add to the total. So right now we have $1,335.06. Can y'all see? Oh, see, the thing is broken and it's not staying. I want to make sure y'all can see. I don't like this. Okay, Well, when in doubt, you always got pen and paper. So moving on. Bills, giving. I'm putting everything up under here. That's not bills. And then we're going to have to pay the parents' house bill. And then we have the kindermaster. Giving doesn't have a date. Parents' house bill is due on the 16th. This check is going from the 4/9 to 4/22. That's why we're paying all these so close. Kindermaster is due on the 17th. And the student loan is due on the 18th. Y'all, let me tell y'all about this student loan. So the student loan got switched from like a general to a federal loan. And when it came off, it shot my score up like one place 40-something points and one place 70-something points. Of course, it went back down when they added it back as a federal loan. But I mean, wow, I need to pay that student loan off so my score can go up, because I didn't know my student loan was holding me back like that. But clearly it is. So I was going to like save my student loan payments, but I'm not going to do that. Anyway, I should probably be filling these in. Giving is getting 20. The parents' house bill gets 320, y'all know. Kindermaster will get $4. At least that's what we budget for. Student loan gets $60. And then Capital One bill is paid off. The Ulta bill is paid off. The Visa bill. No, the Visa bill actually has $50 on it. But I don't think it's due till 5/8. So we're not going to add it on there. And it only has $50 on it because I had to pay $50 for a house buying like e-learning class in order to qualify for my loan that they're giving me through Georgia Dreams. I'll tell y'all about that in another video, in the update video. And I think that's it. So that's it so far as bills go. I don't know. This says envelopes. I'm going to put like, ooh, I don't even know where things go anymore. Ooh, this is annoying. Okay, so I'm going to skip that because I'm not sure. I'm going to put, you know what? Because they have a savings thing. So the next thing on my thing is normally my house emergency fund. So I don't think I have enough room. I don't like it. Oh gosh. Sorry y'all, this is so different. Okay, I'm gonna put the house emergency, no. Okay, I'm gonna put the house emergency fund here in the extra savings, because that makes sense to me, right? House emergency fund, and that gets 50. And then cash envelope, isn't there a thing? Envelopes. So cash envelopes is going to get, I'm not even going to break them down because I don't even have my laptop to look at. Cash envelopes is getting $240. And then challenge would, I think, because 0 out challenge would go here. So 0 out challenge is going to get $5.06. Okay. And then we have, excuse me. This is so weird doing it this way. Excuse me, y'all. I feel so slow right now. House emergency funds, cash envelopes, 0 out challenge, sinking funds. So sinking funds does have a category, and I happen to know what they are. They should be $100, but I'll write them out since I know. Health and wealth, or health is wealth, gets $15. Car maintenance, just whatever, it says Car Mountain, it's $40. I don't know why I'm starting to do the little 0 on some of them and not all of them. This is why. Apparel, which is just clothing. Can y'all see? Okay. It's going to be $15. Christmas is going to be $20. And travel is getting $10. Now, this should equal $100. let us see. 15 plus 40 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10, $100. Y'all see that? I hope so. $100. Boom. So that was done. And then we have our house savings, or our 26 weeks challenge. So because I need more lines, instead of putting it in savings, I'm gonna put it over here because this is kind of new. And what we're doing is $400 each week. So if you don't know, I have a 26-week challenge, and the goal for this month is $800 for the month for my 26 weeks challenge. But I like to break it down now. Everything used to go to the house, $400 one period, $400 the next period. This pay period, we're doing it at this quarter. We're doing it a little different. It'll still add to $400, but it's going to be a little different. So what we're going to do is, for the 26-week challenge money, actually, you know what I'm going to do? Let me get a highlighter. Because I want to keep track that this specific money is going to be for the savings challenge. I'm going to make it a certain color. 26 savings, 26 weeks. That was backwards, but y'all know what I'm saying. So anything highlighted in green or whatever color this is will be for the 26-week challenge, right? And it should go here, and it should still add up to $400. Usually it's better to highlight first. That way you don't have to worry about your pen ink rubbing all over the place. Okay, so the way this is going to get broken up, don't buy these pens, y'all. They're super cute, but they rub off mad easy. If you see them, leave them in the store. I haven't had them that long. And, okay, focus. We have, are we recording? Okay. We have $200 that's going to, I'm going to put 26 week right here just so we know. We're going to put house savings. House savings is going to get $200. And then the emergency fund, EF, emergency fund, is going to get $100. That's $300. And the extra $100 I'm going to take out in cash for my humble home. Yeah, y'all know what that says. Y'all know what it means. Okay. I'm going to put a C here because that's cash. And these cash envelopes need a C as well because they need to come out in cash as well. The extra rollover also needs to come out in cash, but bruh, it's okay for now. Next we have our buffer. Oh, we don't know that yet. Make it rain challenge. So that can go under extra savings. So that's make it rain challenge. All the challenges are going over here. Oh, I should have put the student loan in debt, but it's okay. Make it rain challenge is getting $10 because it's increments of 5 each week. So that's getting $10. I might just go ahead and take this one out in cash. It might be a little different and just go take the money out in cash. I'm going to try and open a local bank so I can actually get denominations that I want. We'll see how that works. If not, I'll just transfer it over. Is that it, y'all? Oh, and then we'll just have to figure out what the rollover is. I think we got everything handled. I think I'm going to open a PNC bank account and so I can get cash denominations. Plus, I need to change out some bills for my humble home too. So I need to figure out ways. So let's add everything up. Get to our zero-based budget. Let me just add these first. 20 plus 320 plus 4 plus 60 equals 404. So I'm going to take 1335.06, which is what we got paid, minus 404, which is what our bills are this week, and that leftover is 931.06. Okay, and then we're going to add everything here in envelopes. We have 240 going to cash envelopes, 200 going to the house, 100 going to emergency funds, and 100 going to my humble home, and that's a total of 640. So I'm going to take 931.06 minus 640 equals 291.06. That's what it said, okay? And so from 291.06, I already added these at $100, so we're just gonna subtract 100, and then we have 191.06. And let me go ahead and add these together. 50 plus $5.06 plus $10 is 65.06. So 191.06 minus 65.06 equals $126. What? $126. $126, y'all. That seems like I got a lot of extra money. I don't want that much money in my buffer. I really don't. I really don't. Okay, guys. So after reconsulting my cheat sheet here, I forgot that I actually wanted to add in cash stuffing funds for the new cash envelopes that I had made. I think I'm going to, for the new cash stuffing envelopes, I'm gonna put $100. I also need to get cash for that. And then we're gonna just have $26 in buffer. None of this is right. Oh Lord, I don't got no white out, okay? So 50 plus 506 plus 10 plus 100 equals 165.06. Okay, so let's do this one more again. It should be 26 left in a buffer. So what I'm gonna do, hey, I'm just gonna put buffer here. No, I'm gonna put buffer here and extra debt. I'm just gonna put extra. Forget the debt part. No, buffer, because I don't want to have to add everything again. We're gonna say it's $26, which I need to do because when there's a buffer sitting in there, y'all, I act like I got money to spend and I don't. All right, so last time, one more again. This is it. I'm just adding all the bill totals and then subtracting so I can get to 0. 404 plus 640 plus, y'all can't see that, 640 plus 100. Ooh, I don't miss this. Plus 26 plus 165.06 equals 1,355.06, which is the amount we got paid, 1,355.06, which means that we have a zero base budget. Yay. And so that is all. My gosh, I miss my computer. I can't even lie, y'all. But I am very glad that it's done, and now I can go and do all my do all my transfers on my own and pay all the bills, and then hopefully it will all reconcile. So welcome to April. If you like this kind of video, then this one was for you. If you miss me in the bubble on the screen with all my stuff, it's still saying diagnosing your PC on the side. It's dumb. All right, guys, that was all I have today. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, y'all, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever. Bye.